Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the action button or basically any of the buttons. Okay, and once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings option and tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the system option and select it. Now scroll down, find the option called reset, tap on it, and finally tap on delete data and reset settings. Tap on the screen, and if you want to continue, tap on the check mark to confirm. Be aware though that performing the factory reset on your watch, it will remove all of your data and settings from your watch. So tap on the check mark and let's wait until the factory reset is complete. And once you see the hello message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.